In fact, the textile space comes into the fore as the union government, as we understand, has set aside a $100 billion export target as well by 2030. And it's learned that FTAs with countries like Australia, UK, Canada, among many others, are all set to open new opportunities for textile exports. Samir Dikshit joins in with more details.
A number of initiatives have been taken by the government to strengthen the entire textile, ecosystem, which will help in, improving our manufacturing capabilities and make us more and more competitive in the global market. So one of them is, of course, the PLI scheme, where we are hoping that, with the scale and size that our participating companies would be able to achieve, it will lead to economies of scale and, bring down their cost and make them more competitive. We are also focusing in the PLI schemes on the sunrise sectors of MMF apparel, MMF fabric, and technical textiles, which have a lot of potential in the global market.
You have set an ambitious target of $100 billion export by 2030. That's quite a big task. FTAs alone, how much it's gonna support it? And in addition to this, would you also like to explore some new market if any name it is there in the pipeline you want to share that?
Yes, we are looking at achieving an export target of 100 billion by 2030, and in fact within that we are also looking at achieving about 10 billion from technical textiles alone. We are presently at about 2 billion technical textiles. So yes, we do have an ambitious target, but we are working towards that through the initiatives which I've just mentioned. And in fact, in technical textiles, we also have a national technical textile mission, which is looking at enhancing our innovation and research capacity in technical textiles and developing more and more applications which will find a market. And also promoting exports. So our focus is it's a multi-dimensional approach towards achieving this target, and we are hopeful that our industry is very dynamic, and the industry is fully how should I say, even excited about coming together and all these stakeholders working together to achieve this sort of a vision that we have for the textile sector.
That was the Textile Secy talking about $100 billion potential textile export target which India is setting up. Well,